I'm here with some more Reggae Boy fans at halftime in the bleachers. The stadium is as full as I've seen it in a long, long, long time. First of all, before we even start talking about the match, comment on the atmosphere.
Well, the atmosphere good so far. Just to play them now bring the vibe still. Cause everybody turn out what Lee and Bailey, but we just now see my profile. I don't know if something wrong with him or what. I'm not turning up for the game the right way. I don't know what I'm doing, but he need to do better still on the field. And I'm really disappointed that them are regret. Because I used to him score them goal. So I think it's a goal, the penalty, but I'm disappointed. I'm not lie. Yeah.
So before you even get to that point, when you saw the starting lineup, what was going through your mind when you saw the starting 11?
Well, I think the Newcastle ball shot up on the midfield. Cause you can see a big miss cause the number 15 now playing up on the field. Him totally need to come off. I guess I'm come off and all still. And first of all, the way them play when they play like we know each other, the chemistry not did it. We come like we just pick up one side of the roadside. Them wonder why the point the red stripe Premier League ball them should have played then if I saw the case. Cause them when you play England and we can't see nothing from them.
Alright, so the half is about to start. We're under one. Do you think that Jamaica has what it takes to go forward and get an equalizer?
Yes man, we can get an equalizer. Alright, the equalizer can come in about Jamaica need to be more chemistry in the midfield. The number 15 need to get in act together. And so Bowser need to get in touch together too. So yeah, so we are look forward to it. We can score, man.
And lastly, may I ask the lady, you think we have what it takes to come back and win this game?
Them better have it.
Alright.